Hello, in this section we want to animate the Udemy logo in handwriting. Open a new composition with duration of about 3 seconds. Insert PNG file into the composition. The file is PNG and has no background, only the logo. At first, make a solid. In this way, select New, then select Solid, and press OK. We place the solid layer under the logo layer. From the section, select the pen tool. Make sure that the solid layer we created is selected. Draw a line exactly on the logo with the pen. As you can see, this is where we start. To start a new path to drag, click on this space one. Select the layer again. As you can see, a new path has started to drag. We'll start by drawing a line on the logo with the pen. Well, now we have selected exactly here with the pen. Type a stroke in the effect and press the section. Insert this effect on the solid layer. Now look, mask 1 is the part that we first draw with the pen, and mask 2 is the part that we draw with pen. Select mask 1. Now you can see the color here is white. If you blacken it, for example, and then increase the brush size, you will see that this black is displayed now. Resize the layer. You see what it looks like. Now, for us to show only those parts that we draw with the pen from solid, select Paint Style. And in the following, on the transparent. So, you see, only the same line that we draw is displayed. Now we change the size so that it completely covers this part of the logo. Just before that we make the first line, we draw more accurate, and then we change the size. In this part, we have an end that if we increase or decrease, it'll start from the beginning exactly in the writing mode. We increase the size of the brush to completely cover the logo. Now, for end, insert keyframe. Select layer, press U to show the keyframe. Remove 100% of the keyframe further. Initially, the keyframe is 0. This is how it is when we play. Now, we want to set alpha matte for the logo layer to the white solid layer. If you cannot see the trick matte section, select toggle switch. Now, this section trick matte, this bottom layer, select alpha matte white solid. Now when we play, it becomes as if it is starting to write a logo. It becomes as if it's starting to write a logo. Let's go to the next part of the logo, which is mask 2. We take it from track matte to see better, but the keyframe that we inserted before is still here. And we cannot use the one effect stroke for 2 masks. That's why we leave this stroke for mask 1 and we put another stroke on the solid layer. Select mask 2 from path. And in exactly the same way as before, we increase its size a little more. We also change the color to black. We increase the brush size even more. Now, as you can see, the lines that we have drawn are a bit irregular. So we arrange them so that they completely cover the logo exactly. As in the previous case, decrease and to 0, like what we done before. Press U to show the keyframe. We move it forward, set the end to 100 and play it. Now, we alpha matte on the white solid. So, what it looks like. We can move the keyframe just enough to adjust the speed of the value or to form a first U a little faster. We can also select keyframe and do a Z of 9. Again, what we can do is select 2 keyframes, click on the graph editor and set the value of the graph to write a little faster at first and a little slower at the end. With this technique, we can give any logo we want to handwriter animation.